Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today on the bench we have another nice device from EONON. It's their 1DIN navigation system, their SD1X6S. It's a 10.95 inch 2K single DIN audio car stereo display with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a Qualcomm 8-core CPU, 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage for 1DIN car models, no matter the car manufacturer. So if you are going to order this device, in the box you will get all the cables necessary for the successful conversion, plus a complex and complete user manual, and besides that you also get a detailed scheme, a detailed plan for the installation. Also in the box you get the screen itself, which comes with one nice feature, the adjustability. You can adjust it more to the right, more to the left, up or down. That's because it has a very intelligent design bracket. And yeah, the screen is separate from the navigation box itself, which is another nice feature, because if you are leaving your car in a parking lot and don't want to be stolen, you can take it with you without any problems, because it comes in a bracket system and it's easy to take it off or put it back on the navigation box. So this is the navigation box and this is the complete package. Let's go on and install everything. We choose to install it on a 2009 Ford Focus Z-Tech, and this car comes with a double DIN infotainment system or radio system with CD. And to be able to install it on this model, we had to buy a separate adjustment rim and also some adapter cables. So now you know that if you have a car like this, you can also install it on a double DIN stereo system. After we removed the plastic rim, we had to remove 4 different screws, 2 on the right, 2 on the left, and after the removal of these 4 screws, well, the double DIN stereo system comes out without any problems. As you can see, we have a thick square cable and the antenna cable. So these are the only 2 cables in the double DIN system. And we needed this adapter, this cable adapter, in order to fit the single DIN navigation system on this car. Once we connected the adapter cables, we could connect the adapter plate, and also we could screw everything in place. Next step was to connect all the cables, but before that we had to take out the microphone and we placed it very nicely near the rear view mirror. Then we took out the USB cables and the 4G SIM card slot, and also the GPS antenna had to be placed somewhere on the dashboard, and we find this suitable place on the left side, on the left pillar. Next step was to connect all the cables into the slots of the EONON navigation system box. You should know that each and every cable has a different pin number, so it's practically impossible to connect one cable to a wrong slot. So everything is plug and play, very simple. Once we connect all the cables, all you have to do is some cable management, so everything will fit nicely on the back of the navigation box, and the navigation box simply slides onto the adapter rim. The next step is to connect the screen, which is plug and play as well. It snaps into place and stays there without any wobble or something like that. And as you can see, the nicest function is the ability to adjust its position. This means that we will have the best viewing experience, so we won't have to look from a side or something like that while driving. This goes the same for the passenger or for the rear passengers as well. So this is the main screen of the navigation system. On the left we have we have a music widget. We have various apps. It's based on Android 13 system, and we also have wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. As you can see, everything moves fluently, very fast. The 6 gigs of RAM and the Qualcomm GPUs are making a great performance. And if you want to use a simplified screen, you have the wireless CarPlay function with apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, TomTom Go, Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, and so on. Or if you like, you can use the Android-based operating system with apps like Google, Google Chrome, YouTube Music, Netflix, or any other streaming app. You can install any other app using a Google account from the Play Store. And besides all these, we also have radio, we have built-in DSP, you get an equalizer, and the home screen is, of course, customizable. Another important thing to remember, if your car has steering wheel controls, you can use them, yeah, they work, but they have to be set it up. Yeah, so you have to set up the steering wheel controls. The overall process is simple, and after that they will work without any problems. So yeah, this is the device. You can order it using the link in the video description. You can choose the base edition, which is based on a Linux version, and it comes with premium hi-fi sound with wired and wireless CarPlay. Or you can buy this navigation instead with the larger screen, and it comes with more features and functions. So you have the link in the video description. You have a discount code already in the link, and if you buy one, you get a free backup camera, the A0127 model, which is very nice because this camera costs around 50 euros. Yeah, so buy it now using the link in the video description. And if you have other questions, like for instance, if your car is compatible, write me in the comment section and I will answer to each and every comment. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.